Hi there, welcome to Journey Home. I wanted to explain some of the free guides that I have made, and they're available to you, yes, at no charge. Just like to grab your name and email address, and you'll hear from us from time to time. But it's really good value, and I'm sure that they're going to help you. So do have a look, and let's show you where they are. So you'll find a link at the very top banner of our website at journey-home.com.au, and you pop over here to this complimentary design resources button and click on that, and I'll run you through what we have on offer. So the first one created was a design and decorating project planner. So this started out, this became the beginning of our strategy session, and it's going to prompt you on lots of different things that are going right and going wrong in your home, and help you refine your goals about the things that you'd like to do and set a plan in place. So people have said to me that this can really crystallize what they really need to do with their renovation or decorating projects. So yeah, grab that one. I think it's a really great one to get you started. The other one is if you're thinking of renovating, say a new bathroom, kitchen, or a whole house, and you're thinking of selecting all the materials, your bench tops and tiles and taps and things yourself, grab this little guide. It's going to help you make those selections with confidence, and I talk a lot about the order to do things and some tips and tricks and things to consider. So that's one for you if you're about to embark on a build. The other one is if you're wondering about furniture arrangement, I've grabbed some top ideas, things that you need to consider if you're working out how to set furniture up around your room. So this is a good one if you're embarking on decorating and thinking about buying a new sofa or something like that, then grab this one. Now, if you're seriously looking at decorating and you love the projects on our portfolio, then this guide will tell you what things cost, from silver, platinum, gold level decorating. It tells you how to budget for complete rooms at a time, and all the different rooms are covered. So that's a really good guide for you to grab if you're serious about doing decorating. And I always say focus on a room at a time. So that's going to help you budget for that. And the other thing to do is declutter. It's sometimes difficult to let go of things, so I've got some headspace tips for you. And decluttering you can do at any time, at the beginning of the job, halfway through a project. It's always a good thing to do, especially at the beginning, and I've got a good little guide for you on that. So they're the free guides I've got going at the moment, and I hope that you find them really helpful. And you can find them on our website at journey-home.com.au. And if you've got any questions about any of the content in the guides or our services, click over here to the Contact Us button, and you can book a 15-minute chat with me, and I can help you determine if you need interior design or decorating services. Give you a hand in that way. So I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.